Good morning, student. Today I am going to revise chapter number 1, crop production. Now, in crop production, first, everybody, you know the term agriculture. What is the agriculture? Agriculture is the science that deals with growing of crops on a large scale. Crop can be broadly categorized into Rabi and Kharif crop on the basis of seasons. Various tasks performed by a farmer to produce a good crop are called basic agriculture practices. Farmers follow some common agriculture practice like preparation of soil, sowing, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Soil is prepared for cultivation by plugging, leveling and manuring. To add manuring. Seeds are sown manually by broadcasting or with the help of a seed drill. Organic manures and fertilizers are applied in the soil for replenishment and enrichment of nutrient. Now, weeding is the process of removing weeds from the field, and it can be done either by hand or by using weedicides. The process of supplying water to the crop in a field is called irrigation. Irrigation means to supply water to the crop. It is supplied in the field through wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Crop can be protected from pests by spraying suitable pesticides on them. The process of cutting and gathering of a mature crop is known as harvesting. It is done with a sickle or a combine machine. Now the threshing. Threshing is the process of separating grains from the stalk of hay. Winnowing. The process of separating grains from the chaff is called winnowing. Grains should be dried in the sun before storage. Food grains are stored on a large scale either in granaries or silos. Animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? It is a science which deals with the breeding, feeding and caring of livestock for food and other useful purposes. The term nitrogen cycle. The circulation of nitrogen through the living and non-living component of biosphere is known as nitrogen cycle. Now, what is ammonification? The process of converting complex protein into ammonium form of nitrogen is called ammonification. Now the nitrification, the process of converting ammonium form of nitrogen into nitrate form. This is called nitrification. And then denitrification. The process of converting nitrate from the soil into the free atmospheric nitrogen is called denitrification.